Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I'm in HackerRank solving one of the problems of 10 days of JavaScript. I'm in the first problem called Day 0 Hello World. So let's begin. So our task is to provide for you the editor below. We have the variable, parameter variable, and we want to perform the task to complete this language. Console.log to print hello world. Okay, and console.log to print the contents of parameter variable. So we see the input values right here. The output format is quite straightforward. So it's quite simple. When you write console.log, you just do console.log. Yep, simply just console.log and the message inside that you want to submit, which is parameter variable. And you don't really need semicolon, but it really helps us to distinguish ways. It makes it easier for other people to read your code. And there you go, passed. And I hit submit. It should pass all test cases. And there you go. So basically what console.log does is that it prints to the console whatever information that you want to put inside. In this case, it's hello world and the parameter variable values itself. Alright guys, I hope you like this content, and if you do, I'll give you a piece of gold, a gold coin, because this is such an easy question. So as soon as you like this content, bing! A gold coin will appear with the sound effect from Mario. No, just kidding guys, take care.